In this video, I'll show you how to change the background color in AutoCAD to create a workspace that's more comfortable and easier to work in. First, open AutoCAD, type Options in the command line, and press Enter to open the Options window. Next, go to the Display tab and click the Colors button. In the Drawing Window Colors dialog box, make sure 2D model space is selected as the context. Then, under Interface element, choose Uniform Background. Now select your preferred background color from the available color list. You can choose a dark, light, or custom color, depending on what gives you the best visibility while drawing. Once you've selected your color, click Apply and Close, then click OK to save the changes. Your drawing area will immediately update with the new background color. You can repeat these steps anytime if you want to switch back or try a different color. That's how easy it is to change the background color in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.